Want to send a photo that vanishes into thin air after being viewed? Let's dive into how to send disappearing photos on Telegram, giving you ultimate control over your shared media and ensuring your privacy first. Open the Telegram app on your phone. Select the chat with the person you want to send the disappearing photo to. Now, tap on the attachment icon, usually represented by a paperclip, located at the bottom of your screen. Choose the photo you want to send from your gallery or take a new one directly using your camera. Before sending, look for the timer icon at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a clock. Tap on it. A menu will pop up allowing you to set the self-destruct timer. Choose how long you want the photo to be visible. After it's opened, you can select from 1 second to 1 minute. Once you've selected the timer, tap the send arrow to send your disappearing photo. The recipient will receive your photo, and once they open it, the timer will start. After the time runs out, the photo will disappear from both your chat and theirs. That's it. You've successfully sent a disappearing photo on Telegram.